Hello, welcome to Soapbox Science 2023. Should I? Okay, so can you identify this plant?
No, really, no idea.
Just try. You can see the flower.
Oh, lavender.
Huh?
Lavender.
No, not lavender.
What's that?
No smell at all.
Palm tree.
No, so you can say like, okay. Can you identify?
Dog food.
Yes,
Lentils.
lentil, correct, well done. So these are lentil plants.
Oh, really?
Yes, so this is a tiny lentil plant and this comes under legumes, pulses. So being a plant scientist at the University of Melbourne, I am trying to make these plants more happy. So if you see this plant, this is happy, right? But sometimes they won't be happy. They will be under stress when climate change happens. When climate change happens, it can be drought, heat, frost or any disease. So being a plant scientist, my role is to make them happy and make them climate resilient under this climate change. Okay, so what we are trying to do is, we are trying to see some sustainable options, like how we can manage drought stress. So this plant being a legume, it got many benefits. As you all know, it got some roots and they have a tiny nodules, nodules, and they can fix atmospheric nitrogen. So if they fix nitrogen, we don't need to add artificial nitrogen fertilizers.
Oh, yeah, of course.
So it will make the soil fertile. Okay, and then we can make them more climate resilient by studying its physiological and biochemical mechanisms, what's happening to this plant under drought stress. And as we need to feed 10 billion people by 2050, yeah,
It's
10.
really like 8 billion on the planet.
Yeah, it's our population is increasing, right? So so do you think the food we are producing now would be enough? No, we need to produce, yes, sustainability. We need to produce more. So we need to have more legumes in our diet. They are rich in protein. So it can be an alternative to protein, meat, right? So you have to have more legumes. So on a Friday night, when you are feeling lazy and when you are taking your phone to order a pizza, just think about these tiny seeds. They are very nutritious and you can make one lentil soup within 10 minutes. Okay, there are lots of recipes available on internet and just try. So if you try to make or choose these lentil seeds and if you include legumes in your diet, you are not only boosting your health but also the planet health. Okay.
Lentils?
Sorry?
There's like red lentils and all that.
Yeah, there are different varieties and this one is actually red lentil. It depends upon the seed coat color. But doesn't matter whether it is red or green, the nutritious profile is the same. So try to make, we can have, there are so many options, right? It's not the wheat or rice, we have legumes as well. So try to incorporate more legumes into your diet and have a healthy, long, happy life. So the takeaway is legumes for a sustainable nature. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Take care. All good?